People keep searching for the perfect photo, but I will tell you the truth. It doesn't exist. And the moment you think that you have taken the best picture of your life, someone else, somewhere else, is taking a better one. So why do we keep chasing it? Part 1. Why the best photo is a myth. No photo is truly the best, not even the most famous ones. You have to note that every image is limited by the photographer's vision, the moment in time, the situation around it. It's a snapshot of how someone saw the world at the moment. Remember that perfection is an illusion. Photography is about seeing, capturing, and experimenting, not finishing. Part 2. Iconic photos and why they matter. To understand much better, let's take a look at some pictures that people call iconic. Not because they're perfect, but because of what they made us feel. Migrant Mother by Dorothea Lange became unforgettable because it captured the pain, strength, and uncertainty of an entire generation during the Great Depression, all in one human face. Afghan Girl by Steve McCurry became iconic because her gaze turned a global refugee crisis into a deeply personal moment, showing the human cost of war through a single portrait. These images are remembered not for the technical perfection, but for the emotional truth and impact. Part 3. What does this change us for you? This is important. If there is no perfect photo, then you don't need to fear making a normal one. A strong image is not a destination, it's a step forward. The moment that you have taken a good photo, that is not the end. That is the start of seeing better. After taking each image, take a look. What is extra? What has to be removed? What is non-mandatory to be in the frame? What is making your frame a bit crowded? Remove all of those in the next frame. By using this method, you can take much better pictures in the future. Part 4. One practical exercise. Here's a simple one. Take one subject, shoot 3 photos. Change the angle, the light, or the distance. Then ask yourself, where does my eye go? What feels stronger? What feels unnecessary? It's not about choosing the best photo. It's about training your eyes, your vision. If this way of taking photos help you, click the FK button and subscribe. You'll learn photography like an artist, not like a robot. Part 5. Progress over perfection. The best photo is always a moving target. Comparing yourself to others kills the progress, but comparing yourself to yesterday builds it. Celebrate small steps. Keep experimenting. Keep learning. Chasing perfection freezes growth. Seeing clearly moves it forward. Stop chasing the perfect photo. Focus on observing, experimenting, and learning. Stay curious, keep learning. I'll see you in the next video.